ethanol, then 50% sa tea, then glucuron, then i-mix silang mga, ilahalat na siya times 0.2. We have also here, 50% M from ethanol and 50% from A, acetonitrile. So, i-mix silang duha. Ang ilahagay po potential times 0.2. The same goes to the A plus A. So, this indicates that all of these wala.
Napalong nila dito. Nakama nila rin.
Ilan sa layer?
Ready mo.
Ito sa yan.
Kasi kung mabaluan. So let's continue. Wala na intro. So the triangle that that you have saw earlier, okay, that represents good mixing, a good retention time of the two solvent. So if you are planning to do an experiment, so those three solvents, if those three solvents are really good in terms of chromatography. Next, we have choosing a mobile phase, isocratic, and gradient illusions. Isa din ikaw sa bigas. Isa na.
Ikaw po rin. Your... Okay, we have the third phase. We have choosing a mobile phase, isocratic and gradient illusions. So, reverse to selecting. Okay, everybody read. Reverse selecting.
Again.
Reverse.
Yes, start it out. 3, 2, 1, go.
Choosing a mobile phase.
Isocratic
and gradient illusions. Reverse selecting whether I use constant mobile phase composition isocratic or changing mobile phase composition over time or gradient during a chromatographic run.
So, isocratic here means constant mobile phase composition. Like, kung nakay ka ang alcohol, you choose alcohol as a solvent, kana ra jud constant to jud na dili jud ka mag-change of kanang mobile phase. Whereas in ingredient illusions, for example, bumalik mo gamit sa kanang alcohol, isa na po mo another solvent. So that is
isocratic and gradient illusions kana trying to say. So, the purpose is to optimize separation. Isocratic illusion is ideal for simple mixtures where all analytes separate well under one condition. Gradient illusion is used for complex mixtures, improving separation efficiency and reducing analysis time by gradually changing the mobile phase strength. So, ganito isocratic illusion, ideal for simple mixture wherein kanang dili na bitaw ka inject of another solvent like kanang isa ra jud solvent without din. Gradient illusion is used for complex mixture. For example, nanakay isa ka solvent which is alcohol there. Ang iyang result kay dili kayo clear ang iyang solution. Therefore, mag-inject na to another kanang solvent nga kaya mag-insert na po another solvent ba para ma-enhance ang iyang solution. Para gradient illusion para ma-enhance ang iyang analysis and also the strength of the mobile phase. So we are already done with our web card. So we have here UV visible absorption spectrum. So as I have discussed earlier, that ang mga components sa mixture ay mo-absorb din siya of UV and also visible light spectrum. So natay tawag og detector. So ang purpose sa detector is iyang i-detect if pila ka UV ang absorb sa isa ka composition sa mixture. So, if makadetect na to ang detector, iha itong i-graph. Ang UV visible absorption spectrum is a graph that shows how much ultraviolet or visible light a substance absorbs across different wavelengths. It tells you at which wavelengths a molecule absorbs light most strongly. So, in the graph, we have here x-axis and y-axis. Ang x-axis refers to the wavelengths in nanometers, the color or energy of the light. Ang graph shows how strong the color of a components of a mixture. So y-axis refers to the absorbance or how much light is absorbed by each wavelength. So if we say how much light, so therefore burn siya. Kaya itong nasa table ba, ang cyclic zinc, nag-absorb of ultraviolet na 210 UV, therefore dili na siya ma-detect sa kwan. So this is how it looks like. So absorbance and this is the wavelength. So high performance liquid chromatography is used routinely. So in conclusion na siya kung sa purpose sa HPLC. It is used routinely for both qualitative and quantitative analysis of environmental, pharmaceutical. So HPLC can be used in environmental, pharmaceutical, like mga tambal, extract, and also industrial, forensic, clinical, and consumer product samples. So, okay, Lumon, stand up. So, based from our previews and also our discussion from this morning, so can you any subject or understanding based from our discussion this morning? NLP. So any like understanding based on the parts of our plan. So bakit mo ba? Shine. Honey. Stationary.
Ang mobile Facebook ang stationary fix. Dapat dili sila same ang polar kay dili sila na
Separation
dito
process.
na dito separate ang baan.
Sa opposite sa
Ang dapat sa UV na mag-measure siya sa wavelength or bila ang light pina-absorb.
Ila ang na-absorb ng UV sa component sa mixture. Then ang purpose sa detector is to detect how much ang ang na-absorb sa any question from our discussion class. Wala. Yes, Dumon, you have question? Okay, none? What? So, where are you looking? And where are you looking? Oh, ang nagpula, where? So, okay, question, kahilog. Ay, kabalit. Any question before we proceed to another topic? Okay, we have. Let us clap our hands to review. Let us clap our hands. Okay, stand up for the Lusa. Based from our previous discussion, can you tell us what you have understand? Any one sentence lang or any? Yeah, based on our previous discussion. Parts. Okay, absently. Okay, thank you. That's all for my part. And let's proceed to another reporter. You have Elma Ayaan.